going on, guys? Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. We're doing a little bit more work on the MV Agusta today. In a couple of my previous videos you may have seen I had a broken mirror and I was actually able to fix the mirror. But one of the things that I hate with this MV Agusta, these mirrors are so close to the body of the bike, it really makes them unusable. So I bought a couple little small, I guess, convex mirrors. I guess convex mirrors. I'm just going to install them here on the mirror, and hopefully it'll make the mirror a little bit more usable. Anybody that has these bikes, I think they're all going to tell you the same thing. The mirrors, they're just not very good. You can't see much. You have to lift your elbows. You have to try to peer around your body. It's not ideal for riding. I don't like it. Maybe some guys like it. Some people like it. I don't like it. I like to see when I'm riding without having to adjust my body position or move. My Yamaha is great for that. The FZ6R. The mirrors are the best. A lot of people don't like them because they're high. They say they look ugly. But you know what? They're 100% functional. So anyways, guys, I'm going to try to prove the functionality of the mirrors on the MV Agusta. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so these are the mirrors. They just have an adhesive backing, and my plan is to kind of put them out here as far as I can on the mirror, but still be having the ability to use the mirror here to actually adjust the mirror. So yeah, I think they look pretty cool. I hope it gives me a better view. Like, it can't be worse. So let's take the backing off. We're going to start. I have this little it's like a little thing for your cell phone that, like, you could prop your cell phone up and stuff. So I'm just going to use that to kind of hold the mirror itself. But we're going to peel off the backing here. It's just an adhesive backing that goes the whole way around the mirror. Alright, so we have that backing off. The mirrors are already pretty clean, so I'm not too worried about that. The key is placement. And we're just going to try to stick it. We're going to try to stick it there somewhere. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but like, it's got to be better than what we have on the bike already. I'm not sure if a lot of MV Agusta owners are actually doing this. I think it's a great idea because I think it just makes more sense. It's safer, you can see, and it actually doesn't look that bad. So let me try to peel this little thingy off. So there we go. Like, it looks pretty cool, guys. It almost looks like it's actually meant to be on the bike. You know what I mean? It doesn't have a frame around the mirror, so it's a frameless mirror. It actually looks really good. I do like the way it looks. And let's go ahead, let's get the other side done. Alright guys, so we'll do the same thing. Just going to stick it on the mirror here. And we're going to peel the backing off. I'll put the links in the description for these little convex mirrors. They cost me about, I think, $6.99 or $5.99 at Canadian Tire here in Canada. And we're going to just try to place this mirror roughly the same as the other one. Alright, there we go. I'll clean the mirrors after here. Just for now, I just want to get them stuck on there. Hopefully they won't vibrate loose. It does have an adhesive backing the whole way around the mirror, so we'll see. Alright, so I have a heavy duty glass cleaner. It works really well. It goes on, it foams, and you just gotta wipe it off. Just gonna spray both mirrors here. We'll let it foam up, do its little degreasing technology thing, and we'll wipe her down. It will make these a little harder to get at the end of your mirrors to clean. I think overall the functionality over like just a minor cleaning thing, it's going to be much improved. Alright, so there we go. Mirrors are on. You can kind of see it does have the convex effect. It does give you a bit wider angle. So yeah, let's go do a road test, guys. Let's go test it out. Let's see what we got. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm just out on the street here. I've only been out on the street for like 5 minutes, but I can already see the mirrors are they're a lot better. I could see everything without even have to like reposition my body. Really, really good $6 purchase, $7 purchase, guys, for an MV Agusta. You can see the original mirror. I can't see much, but with the convex mirror, I can see the whole car behind me. And same as on this side, like I can see the other lane without even have to reposition my body or anything, my head. So yeah, guys, 100%, $7, $8 tops for like a set of convex mirrors. These are 2-inch convex mirrors, and it's the best functional mod you could probably put on this motorcycle. I already feel more confident and more comfortable on this bike just being able to see like around me. So yeah, I just stopped at a quiet little spot here. You can see these little convex mirrors. These ones actually have a tint as well as not having a frame on them. So they look really good. And to be honest, guys, these are 1,000 times better than just having the standard MV Agusta F3 mirror and probably an F4 mirror. 10,000 times better. You can see you can see behind me. Like, just look at the detail behind me. Like, you can see everything. Look over here. You can see the trees. It's great, guys. So yeah, if you don't like your MV Agusta F3 mirrors, there you go. $6 or $7. Get yourself a little set of frameless 2-inch convex mirrors, I guess it is. And yeah, you're rocking. You're set to go. Alright guys, peace out, ride safe, like and subscribe.